Hello guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So, how do you publish a Squarespace website? It's going to be really simple. So, first and foremost, building your website, there's going to be templates that you can choose from. You can choose AI built or pre-made templates, pre-site made templates. So, let's say if you chose this one right here, you're going to be clicking on continue. You start scroll rate, enter a name for your site, and then you click here, continue, and just click on put the name of your publishable site, basically. Okay. My e-commerce Square. Just click on continue. Create a course or design your site. Let's go to design the site. So this is a pre-made site right here that you can edit out, edit the abouts, the classes, the contacts, or whatever it is you put in there, especially the photo. You can basically change all that, especially this video instruction, exclusive recipes. Okay, so this is a setup guide basically to the setup pages, the styles and assets. Exploring. Basically, and in here you can just basically edit this out as well. This is a desktop view, this is a phone view, because on the phone view, it's, in my opinion, it's a lot more important than the desktop view, because a lot of people are on their phone now. You could basically edit this out here on this section as well. You could add in whatever it is you'd like to add, like whatever textiles it is, whatever color it is. You could basically all edit it out here. Again, because to publish all of this is to finish all of this, of course, and click on the save button. But right now, you just put on whatever it is you'd like to put on here. Like this is our motto of our publishable site here. Okay. So, yeah, this is basically our food trip hub. Explore our multicultural cuisine, right? Let's put the cuisine to big letter here. Here you go. So, that's just basically it for our and in here you could basically type in whatever code you'd like, and in here if you have models for your site, or if you want your photo here as the owner and the instructor and the co-founder, you can basically delete this photo right here by clicking on it. Same goes with the other one, and edit out their credentials as well to your credentials, and in here you just add some additional photos. I honestly don't know how many photos you're allowed to put in here, but if you are to put your products here, I honestly suggest that you put it in an already edited out form, like a, what do you call this one, a collage. Okay, so you wouldn't be too problematic about the basically compiling all of these photos. So in here, just basically edit out each and every one of this, including this one. This get started. I want it to be something robust, so like click here. Let's put it here. Click here. Okay. And in here you can basically design the section all over your own, just basically, and yeah, just to basically publish this, just click save. That's it, and you will be able to publish this, right? Page published. You can basically edit this out like please click on this link, or if you want to start your journey, just click on here. You get the point, right? It's sort of like a finisher. So yeah, this is basically it. Just click on designs right here, stretch, and you can edit out the page here. Just make sure that your site is on par with your email systems as well, your payment systems. Those are the most important thing, especially if you have a website, a publishable one, and especially the phone view here. This is what it's going to be looking like when customers are looking through your website through their phones. If they're looking on your website, this is what they're going to be seeing. And yeah, this click here thing is really doing the magic here. So you could edit out the site footer, but we've already done that on the first section of this. And yeah, just basically click on save to practically publish this website, or basically Control S. That's just basically it. So just make sure that your site is on par with your email systems as well, your payment systems. Those are the most important thing, especially if you have a website. So yeah, this is basically it. This is a quick, very quick website building platform. This Squarespace is, and yeah, with the help of AI back then, because they don't have AI systems back then, but now that they do have, man, it just ramps up their game to a whole nother level, which made them really a fortune out of this, because basically there's a lot of obviously successful people out there that have really professional websites. And yeah, hats off to Squarespace. It's really simple. Back then it's really hassling to do your own website building processes and doing the editing by manual, but now you just click on these templates and custom design it to whichever preferences you like any of these templates right here. Turn your hustle into a business. So that's it. We have moving templates as well, and in here, when you choose a template, you could just basically edit it out yourself by clicking here. So yeah, that's just basically it. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials, and you guys have a nice day.